Company presentation time at Commodity TV. Very warm welcome. Today we want to talk about Prairie Mining. Prairie Mining is listed on the Australian exchange ASX under the symbol PDZ. The stock is listed in Germany too, in Frankfurt, Tradegate and Stuttgart. The company has 135.2 million shares outstanding and they sit on approximately 11.6 million Australian dollars cash and securities. Prairie works in Poland and develops the Lublin coal project within the Lublin coal basin. The 4 continuing coal concessions cover 182 square kilometers with a JORC resource of 1.6 billion tons with metallurgical and coking coal. The future operation has low costs and high margins, of course. The scoping study shows robust cash flows with the potential to have the lowest cash costs at $37 per ton free on rail for coal deliveries into Europe. Located in the heart of industrial Europe with a favorable connection to high-quality rail and port network, the whole infrastructure is very well established and ready for Prairie's project. The Lublin coal project lies direct beside the world-class Bogdanka coal mine and has a company value of $1.1 billion. Well, Bogdanka pays a 5% dividend yield, has an EBITDA margin of 40% and should be seen as the model for the future production of Prairie Mining. Well, guys, why coal? Well, quite simple. In 2012, Europe consumed over 770 million tons of coal for the power generation, whereof 265 million tons was coking coal. The coking coal imports stood at 172 million tons, which is equal to 22% of the worldwide traded coal. The Lublin coal project is ideal strategically positioned for future deliveries into the European Union. Prairie has already done a scoping study for the project with positive results. Let's have a look on that. The product mix consists of 50% each semi-soft coking coal and premium coking coal. The clean coal production is planned at 7.7 million tons per annum with an initial mine life of 22 years and very low cash costs of $36.80 per ton. The coal geology is very productive with low ash and the capex stands at manageable $684 million. The Lublin coal project sits at the lowest position of the global cost curve on basis delivery to Europe of all coal projects. Let's have a short look onto Poland, which is a member of the European Union. Well, Poland has a safe mining jurisdiction with low risk and has an excellent tax system. Since 2004, the country saw $120 billion of foreign direct investments and Poland is the largest producer of hard coking coal in Europe. The availability of well-trained labor is fantastic at the low wages, of course, and makes Poland very attractive for the development of coal projects. Let's have a look onto the project itself. Well, the Lublin coal project and the coal quality and washability results are consistent across the target mining area of the seam 391. Initial tests showed that the Lublin coal project is very well positioned in conjunction with the quality of international traded coal. The semi-soft coking coal has a low ash percentage and the premium coking coal has a very high energy value of up to 7,800 calories. Also, the low ash percentage here is a large advantage. The perfect port access and the very well built rail network helps the project a lot with its economic viability. Compared to other coal projects in the world, the capex of $685 million is quite low with an annual production of 7.7 million tons coal. The peak EBITDA is planned at up to $391 million per annum. This leads to nice analyst coverages with leading banks in the world, which rated the stock with buy and price targets of 76 cents up to $2.23. What are the plans and milestones for 2015 to be reached, hopefully? First of all, the permit for the geological documentation, which is the path to the mining concessions, and the results of the pre-feasibility study shall be reached in the first half of 2015. For the second half of 2015, they want to commence with the bankable feasibility study, finish the environmental base studies, the submission of the environmental and social impact study, and the mining concession. Well, Prairie Mining is an interesting coal play in Europe with favorable fundamentals and a well-experienced management internationally but also locally. Do your own due diligence and check out the company's website. Thanks and bye-bye from Munich.